How to plant and take care of tin fruit in potted pot for quick fruit for beginners. Tin, or ARA, which has the scientific name of Ficus carica, is one type of edible fruit producing plant. This plant originated from West Asia. The fruit produced by this plant is the same as the name of the plant, tin, said tin from Arabic, also known as figs or figs. This plant is actually still related to the banyan tree of the same genus Ficus. Fruit trees can grow to a height of about 10 centimeters with soft ash stems, large leafy grooves into 3 to 5 lobes. The so-called real fruit is the base of flowers that form a sphere. The size of the fruit is about 3 to 5 centimeters. The fruit has a green color when young and purple when it has been cooked. Fruit trees contain sap that can treat irritation. Scientific classification of tin fruits. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosida. Order, Rosales. Family, Moraceae. Genus, Ficus. Subgenus, Ficus. Species, F. carica. The fruit is known as the sacred fruit of the heavenly garden. The nickname of the name is given because the fruit is mentioned in L to Qurnie in the letter at to tin. Fruit tin also has many benefits such as can improve the immune system, control blood sugar levels, shed kidney stones, lower levels of bad fats in the body, prevent premature aging, treat sore throat, treat ulcers and various other health problems. Here's how to plant and maintain fruit tin in potted pot to be faster for beginners. More. 1. Preparation of tin fruit seeds. Fruit seedlings can be obtained from graft or cuttings. How to transplant the fruits can be done on the upper stem of the fruit tree young and without cutting. Tin rods wrapped with plastic containing plant media can be compost, coco-pit or soil mixture. Wrap tightly in a tin rod and tied with a rope. Watering done as needed only. After about 35 to 45 days the roots have appeared on the graft rod, then the tin grafts are ready to be removed in pot media. To get the seeds of tin fruit by way of stem cuttings. How to cut the old tin fruit or have dark brown or black. Cutting the stems are done in a tilted, after that plug into the medium of seedlings made from a mixture of soil, sand and compost. Do watering as necessary. After about 35 to 45 days of age, the roots begin to grow with large quantities and the seedlings of the tin can be transferred in pots. 2. How to plant tin fruit in pot. Fruit seedlings ready for planting can be moved into pots. Planting media used to plant tin in pot is a mixture of soil, sand and compost or coco-pit, compost and husk. Planting the fruit tin dilcuca hearts to the liver so that the roots of tin seedlings, both transplanted seeds and cuttings, are not damaged. Planting media that have been put into the pot. Create a planting hole on the planting media and then enter the seeds of tin, then back with the media, planting media, and solidify the planting media around the tin fruit. 3. How to take care of tin fruit in pot. Perform maximum watering, then the fruit will grow to the maximum. The tin pots are placed in an open place for the tin fruit to get direct sunlight. Do watering as much as 2 to 3 times a day for moisture planting media is maintained. In order for nutrients that plants need to grow are met, do fertilization by using NPK fertilizer and compost fertilizer. If the fruit plant is attacked by pests, do the pest removal manually or dispose of parts of plants that are attacked by pests and diseases. If the pests and diseases are still not controlled, then can use pesticides according to the specified dose. 4. Fruit harvest period. Fruit can be harvested after 4 months of planting. Tin fruit is known as a fruit that does not know the season. So we are discussing about how to plant and maintain tin fruit in potted pot for fast fruit for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.